Hello guys, welcome to Tech Me Devoted. In this video, we will explain one program, and this program is also very tricky, very simple but very tricky. We are not going to write in complex code here. So let's start. So first, what we will do, we will create one method. Okay, static method obviously. Let's method name is something like display. Okay, we won't write anything here, just we will write a print statement, sorry, and something like display method called. Okay, now if we want to call this method here in main method, what's the way to call it? So we can call directly like class name dot, sorry, this is our class name application and dot method name. Okay, display, because display is a static class, so in a static context we can call directly with class name. Okay, now if we run this, you'll get display method call. Fine. What's the another way to call it? Obviously by creating object. So let's create application app is new. Okay, now if we write app dot show, sorry, app dot display, right? So it gives warning. See what is the warning? The static method display from the type application should be accessed in a static way. So this is warning only, but we can do it here, right? If we run this, we will get the same thing, display method called. Now my question is, and which is the tricky part of it, if I make app is equal to null. Okay, now app is null. So now if we call this, okay, after making app null, what will be the out? Sorry, let's comment here this one. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are creating application object and we assign null to app. So app is null. Now I'm creating I'm calling app dot display, so you must be thinking that null dot display. Okay, so what will be the output? Is it it will throw null pointer exception or what? No, we will get the same thing. If we run this here, we'll get, see, we'll get the display method call. Why? Generally it won't be like that, right? But why in this if you write one class method here, and that is not static, obviously I have said everything. What is the tricky point? Let's say it that suppose if this is not static, then obviously we cannot call this. If we make it null, then it won't work. But the fact is that we can call static method using reference variable, right, which is pointing to null, because static methods are class level. So we can either call using class name and reference variable which is pointing to null. So we can call this because this is the part of class, not the object. That's why this is, we are getting the method. So what's the tricky point here? Sometime if you are facing some interview or you have some written question like that, what will be the output, then it is something like still misleading. So don't confuse about that, just be on basic what's the use of static here, so you can remember this. Okay, so thanks for watching.